PowerShell GPT is a Windows application that allows ChatGPT to control your PC. Here's how it works. We start by submitting the system prompt to ChatGPT. This tells it how to interact with the application. As soon as a command is generated, the application detects it and requests access. You can click Allow or Deny. If you prefer this not to pop up, you can always grant permanent access. For now, we're going to click Allow. As you can see, the command's executed in PowerShell, and the result is sent back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT responds to the result. Now, sometimes ChatGPT can get into a repetitive loop. This is detected and prevented from happening. Let's see how that works. If the same back and forth is detected a few times between ChatGPT and PowerShell, a looping prompt is sent to ChatGPT to prevent it entering a continuous loop. If I click Allow Access, the date command is executed and the date's sent back to ChatGPT. A quick demo of PowerShell GPT's looping prevention. You can get the app at PowerShellGPT.com.